a sense of pleasure. Pablo Neruda und Garcia Lorca spoke in Spain. That was back in 1930, and that was a speech was called Lemony. This is like bullfighting with two different kinds of bull. And Ximena and I will be carrying out this bullfight in the form of this conversation. So we shall talk to one another. We shall conduct a conversation. And in part we write things down, and in part we are simply talking off the cuff. Good evening. For me it's a great pleasure to be here with you. And I should like to introduce myself. Oh, I'm sorry, I haven't introduced myself. I'm a Chilean woman. And I like to talk, I like to chat. And I'm delighted to be able to be here. I've listened to the presentations, the words of introduction, I mean. But it's not so much a question of us presenting something to you, but engaging jointly in an experience. So 3 hours we have available to us. We've got the presentation, then the reflexive circle. I'm not Britney Spears. And I'm not a major Spanish singer. So we need you to get things moving. So what are we going to do? We're going to invite you to think. This logo, I'm afraid the pointer's not working. So, oh yes it is. So this means curiosity, pain, biology of recognition, and biology of love. Now this dynamic, this self-enclosed dynamic of the arrows is designed to encourage you to think. So you start thinking under two prerequisites. Either because you are curious, or driven by curiosity, in other words, and then you are surprised because something happens, or you're driven by pain because you are in a situation where you stay somewhere because pain is causing you to stay there. The question is, what is happening? You're interested to find out what's happening, and what's happening as a result of the pain. And this means that you ask what is happening, then you start thinking, and this is an invitation to engage in thought and to reflect. I'd like to ask Alejandra, I don't know if she's here. Alejandra? Should tell us when the 90 minutes are up, because we got off to a late start, and it's very important for us to stick to the allotted time. And I should also like to invite you to behave like children. And that's the capacity we often lose. Children ask without being given an answer. And they say, Papa, how was I born? Ximena, you little wonderful person. You were in Chile, so we use the diminutive form. Oh, you were brought by a stork from Paris. I'm sorry, it's not Paris. I'm sorry, the stork came from Berlin. Okay, what's a stork, Dad? Well, it's a big bird. You'll be seeing that birds have something in their beaks often when they fly, and they can carry larger things too, for instance a baby. And in Paris there is one place where the children are made. If a family wants a child, then you look for the finest specimen at this place. It's put in swaddling clothes, and then the bird comes along, the stork comes along, it's got a bit of paper with a dress on it, and then the bird flies and flies across the whole of Europe, across the Atlantic, over Brazil, and crosses the Andean Mountains down to Santiago, looks for the address where the child is to be deposited. And that's how I was born, was it? Exactly. And did you look forward to me together with Mum? Yes, Mum and I were looking forward to having you. So, I say that's how I was born. And off I go again. Now, I was given this answer because I didn't already have this answer in my brain. If we want to be honest, we have to develop our truths. We want to be free like children who can ask time and time again without ever expecting that somebody's going to come up with an answer that they've already heard sometime in the past. Now, another invitation is to be here in full. Is there a mobile phone vibrating in a pocket somewhere? If there's a mobile phone that's vibrating, it's not switched off, but switch it off completely, please, so that we can be here together fully and share these moments with one another. After all, we don't have a great deal of time to spend with one another. So this openness, this honesty, this uprightness is something that we want to preserve. We want to get together and enjoy our mutual pleasure. Now, on these two screens, we shall have, on the one hand, the text in Spanish, on the other hand, the text in English. Is that correct? No, sorry. It's exactly the other way around. So, okay, here's going to be English and there's going to be Spanish on the other screen.
Yep. Si nos descoordinamos, no te culpa.
So if we can't get right together, then we do apologize in advance. Reflexive circle, collaboration or obedience, co-inspiration as the biological and cultural basis for human existence. Co-inspiration and cooperation, collaboration, basically that's the issue we're addressing this evening. How, when, is it possible or not possible? And what does this have to do with our existence as human beings? Now, we don't want to go into this in so much detail, but at least we want to set the framework within which everything takes place. So, where are we? What are we? Where do we come from? And where are we going? Oh, well, there it is, after all. Now, these are questions that we put to ourselves. Where are we? What are we? Where do we come from? Where are we going? Where are we heading? So who's we? We all of us here, each and every single one of us is we. The world that we create through our lives. So let us reflect.